Welcome to Cloud Computing Explained Simply, where we'll explore what cloud computing is, how it works, and why it has fundamentally changed the world of technology. Have you ever wondered where your photos go when you upload them, or how a service like Netflix streams content to millions simultaneously, or how a small startup can serve global users immediately? The answer to all these questions is the cloud. So what exactly is the cloud? Simply put, the cloud is just other people's computers. It refers to huge data centers full of servers that you rent over the internet, rather than buying and maintaining your own hardware. Before the cloud, if Alice the founder wanted to launch a website, she had to buy hardware, pay for electricity, cool the room, fix it when it broke, and pray it didn't crash. This was the old, cumbersome way. The real problem arose with traffic spikes. When demand overloaded a single server, the site went down, customers left, and Alice lost both money and sleep. This manual scaling was inefficient and risky. The new way is to rent computing power from someone else's data center, also known as a cloud data center. With instant scaling and professional management, there is no need for hardware, a closet, or a 3 a.m. panic. Cloud computing is elastic and on demand. Servers spin up automatically when demand rises, like on Black Friday, and shut down when demand drops. You only pay for what you use, calculated by the second. Let's look at how it works. A request travels from your phone, through the internet, to a cloud data center's load balancer. The load balancer directs the request to an available server, and the response is sent back to you. A data center contains thousands of powerful servers. These facilities are meticulously cooled, networked, and watched 24/7. When you use the cloud, you are renting a small slice of this massive infrastructure. There are three main flavors of cloud service: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These models define how much you manage versus how much the provider handles. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, means you rent raw virtual machines with CPU, RAM, disk, and networking. You get the most control, but must manually install the OS, software, and databases via SSH. Platform as a service, or PaaS, lets you just push your code, and the provider runs it. You skip installing the OS, security patches, and web server config. You ship features, not infrastructure. Cloud computing won because of 4 key advantages: pay-as-you-go pricing, instant scale for traffic spikes, global reach with low latency everywhere, and the ability to launch an idea live in hours, not months. Thanks for watching this video on cloud computing. If you found this explanation helpful, please subscribe to TechVision for more simple tech breakdowns.